Right now, my mouse is hovering over the delete channel button. One click. That's it. Everything disappears. Every video I've ever made. Every subscriber. Every comment. Every sleepless night. Gone. Years of work, deleted in 1 second. And the scary part? I might actually do it. Because 48 hours ago, I made the dumbest, craziest, most dangerous bet of my life. I created a brand new YouTube channel. 0 subscribers. 0 help. 0 shoutouts. And I told myself, if I can't get 10,000 views on one video in 48 hours, I don't deserve this channel. No second chances. No excuses. Delete everything. Most people say you need luck to grow on YouTube. Or money. Or connections. I don't believe that. I believe there's a formula. And today, I'm risking everything to prove it. Either this works, or this is the last video you ever see from me. R2. Camera still off. Because I realized something important. You can't just upload random stuff and expect strangers to care. Nobody wakes up thinking, I hope this guy uploads today. You have to earn attention. So instead of filming, I went hunting. For 4 hours straight. I didn't create anything. I studied. I stalked small channels. Tiny creators with like 50 subscribers. But somehow, one video had 80,000 views. Another had 150,000. That's not luck. That's demand. That means people are searching like crazy. But nobody is making a good video. It's like finding a gold mine. Nobody noticed. And when I saw that, my heart started racing. Because I found it. A topic people desperately wanted. But every video about it was boring. Slow. Forgettable. And I knew, if I just made it better, I could win. Now here's where most people fail. They rush to film. Not me. I didn't even touch the camera. Because it hit me. If nobody clicks, nothing matters. You could make the best video in the world. But if your thumbnail sucks, it dies. Instantly. Your thumbnail isn't decoration. It's life or death. It's your shop window. And if the window is boring, nobody walks in. So I did something crazy. I spent 2 hours. On just one picture. One thumbnail. I tested colors. Faces. Text. Zoom. Everything. I didn't show the full story. Just enough to make people uncomfortable. Curious. Confused. Because curiosity is powerful. When the brain sees a mystery, it has to click. Then the title. Not boring. Not safe. Something dangerous. Something that sounds like a secret. Something that makes you whisper. Wait, what happened? Now finally. I uploaded. And waited. R22. I checked my phone. My stomach dropped. 47 views. 47. That's it. Game over. At this rate, I'm deleting everything tomorrow. I just stared at the screen thinking, maybe I'm not cut out for this. Maybe YouTube isn't for me. But then I caught myself. No. It's not the algorithm. It's the people. And if people aren't clicking, something is wrong. So I stopped feeling sorry for myself. Opened analytics. And there it was. Low click rate. My thumbnail sucked. So I panicked. Changed everything. Simpler design. Bigger text. Stronger emotion. Then I cut the first 10 seconds of the video. Made it faster. No boring intro. Straight to the action. Hit save. Closed my laptop. And honestly, I thought it was over. Next morning, I woke up. Half asleep. Opened YouTube. And froze. The graph wasn't flat anymore. It was vertical. Like a rocket. Views were exploding. Because more people clicked. YouTube pushed it harder. Because people stayed longer. It pushed even more. It became unstoppable. 8,000. 9,000. 9,500. My hands were shaking. Then, 10,000. I actually screamed. I survived. And here's the truth nobody tells you. Going viral isn't magic. It's not luck. It's psychology. Give people a reason to click. Give them a reason to stay. That's it. That's the whole game. And if a nobody like me, starting from zero, can do it in 48 hours, so can you. Now stop watching. Stop waiting. Go create. Because your next video might change your life.